How to fix your Amazon error code 7136. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can fix the Amazon error code 7136. Well, so let's get straight into the video. I'm here on the official help base here, community uploads. So how you can fix it? As you can read here, let's understand first why it occurs. Error code 7136 occurs when the Amazon Prime Video application is outdated, application data is corrupted, or the internet connection is weak. These causes often lead to playback issues on Amazon Prime Video. Now, how you can fix it? Now, before we discuss the solutions, it is strongly recommended that you check your internet connection. You can test your internet connection by running the speed test from your browser. Also, restart your router if you are experiencing slow internet speeds. If the internet connection is not the issue, you can head into the solution. You can force stop or clear the data. Force stopping the application is like shutting down or terminating the process running in the background. That is especially helpful if the app is not working correctly and causing errors while running. You can open up settings on your device, go to apps, manage apps, search for Amazon Prime and tap on it to view more options. Then here tap on force stop and then tap clear data. The other is to update the app. If you have an outdated Amazon Prime Video app, the error might occur due to compatibility issues. Ensure that you have an updated Amazon Prime Video app installed on your device. You can also disable the VPN and proxy. Using a VPN while running streaming apps can potentially result in various issues and error messages. The same applies to the proxy. If you use a VPN or any proxy server on your device, it is strongly recommended that you disable them to see if the error gets fixed. If this all doesn't help, then you can also try and reinstall the Amazon Prime. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.